Hi, this is Greg Murray. Since there are over 1 million Greg Murrays available, I like to add my last name as entertainment. So Greg Murray Entertainment is what I go by. It took me no time at all to build this talking avatar with the free version of Canva. Hi, I'm Greg Murray. I live stream on the internet as a DJ. I retired in 2019 after over 40 years as a commercial radio broadcaster, mobile DJ, and college professor of radio broadcasting. I bring a very professional approach to live streaming as a DJ. Using OBS, Open Broadcaster Software, I build my own scenes. Many of those scenes are built with the use of Canva. Now, if you're interested to learn how I made the talking avatar you saw at the beginning of this video, I'll share with you how I did it step by step. Before I do, please do me a favor and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember to click the notification bell so that you get my new videos as soon as I post them. Before we get started, you need to know that I am not covering every basic of Canva. A full video on the basics of Canva is available in this video and also in the descriptions below. In my video, I'll show you what I did to make my talking avatar. Ready? Let's go. Using any internet browser, go to canva.com. To use Canva free or paid, you must create an account with Canva. Up here in the top right corner of your screen, left click on Sign Up. You may be able to use your Google account or Facebook account. I think you should left click on Continue with Email. Use any email address that you want that you have access to register with Canva. Here's where you name your account. Left click on Continue. Canva has sent a code to your email address. This is your security code to show that you have access to this email account. Go to your email address and copy the code. Go back to Canva registration and paste the code into the text box and you'll have access to Canva. What will you be using Canva for? Well, there are several categories to choose from. For now, let's choose Personal. If you decide to change it later, you can. Here's where Canva is offering you a free trial for Canva Pro. Let's click on Maybe Later. Now you're in. First, let's click on Video, then Video again. Left click on Apps. In the search bar, type HeyGen AI Avatar and press Enter. Locate HeyGen AI Avatar and click on it. Click on Open. Here you have a choice to pick an avatar. If you choose to use your own photo, under or bring your photos to life, click on Upload. Find the photo you want to use and click Open. Be patient while your computer processes the photo. When it appears, select a View mode. Here, type your script. Click on the Audio tab. If you want to use your own voice, record it and upload it here. If you choose later to replace your audio, you could click here to replace it. Once your audio appears here, click on Generate AI Video. It'll take a bit of time for your computer to process the video, depending on the strength of your computer, so be patient. When it's done, play it and watch your photo come to life. Hi, this is Greg Murray. Since there are over 1 million Greg Murrays available, I like to add my last name as entertainment. So Greg Murray Entertainment is what I go by. Click Add to Design. Use your mouse to place it where you want it to be. Design the rest of it. Here you can choose how the text will display. When finished, name it and click Share. Choose MP4 video suggested and download. It'll download into your download directory. Now you can go to your download directory and get it. Hi, this is Greg Murray. Since there are over 1 million Greg Murrays available, I like to add my last name as entertainment. So Greg Murray Entertainment is what I go by. I'm Greg Murray. Thank you for watching.